Quick assembly of fastener. In ZW3D 2020, the fastener can be assembled quickly by auto hole match or with layout, which can significantly save assembly time. This is an assembly of vehicle chassis with several sheet metal parts. Firstly, select the ISO standard hexagon head bolts from the reuse library. Then, choose Auto Hole Match as the location, and select the location faces. All the holes on the selected face will be recognized automatically. If you just want to insert the bolts into some specified holes, you can set the range of diameter by hole filter. The second new function to insert fastener is with layout. Similarly, select the ISO hexagon nuts from the reuse library. Then, choose the linear layout and offset position. Select the face as the insertion plane, and set the offset parameters in 2 directions. After that, the nuts will be located by layout. Through these operations, fasteners will be well constrained in the assembly. Quick assembly of fastener can enhance the efficiency of assembly.